Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are tackling a fascinating concept in physics. Yes, the concept is bending of light to make objects disappear. Yes, to make objects disappear, bending of light. Okay, so this is the topic of discussion in today's video. So is that really possible? Yes, I think you have the experience. If you have noticed carefully and if you have already studied physics, then you know that thing. You know refraction. So in case of refraction, suppose there is a glass of water and you have placed a pencil inside that water. So some part of the pencil is above the water surface, free surface of water, and some part is below the free surface of water. In that case, you might have observed the bending of the pencil. Though the pencil is actually straight, but it appears to be bent, okay, at the interface of air and water. So how does that occur? That occurs due to refraction. Speed of light in air and in water are different, and due to that fact refraction occurs, and due to refraction you can see the bending of the pencil. So now if you can scale up that the same phenomenon, then you can get the idea about the disappearance of object. Okay, so here also we are talking about the same thing, how to make objects disappear just by bending the light. Scientists were working on this topic since decades, and now they have become successful, but not fully. Okay, they have become successful, but not fully. They have devised, they have successfully achieved a breakthrough in this field, and they have discovered already metamaterials. Metamaterials, those things are able to hide objects from our view. So actually, how you can see objects? First, let's discuss that thing, how you can see objects. When light hits an object, it bounces off. That means a reflection takes place, and that reflected light reaches your eyes, and only in that case you can see the object. If a reflected eye from the object does not reach your eyes, in that case you won't be able to see the object. Okay, so that way you can see anything. Whatever you can see, you see actually that way, by the help of a reflected light. So suppose there is an object and that object does not reflect any light, or the object is reflecting light but that reflected light is not redirected to your eyes. That reflected light is not reaching your eyes. In that case, you won't be able to see that object. By using similar thing, scientists have discovered the metamaterials. So, metamaterials are able to bend the light, and there is a continuous bending of the light so that the reflected light does not reach to the observer's eye. That is the concept behind this invisibility. Okay, that is the concept. Though at present so only narrow angles are working. Okay, means from all angles the object does not disappear, from all angles. Within narrow angles you can make the objects disappear. And one more thing, only for specific wavelengths this has become possible, like a microwave, not for the whole spectrum of visible light. Scientists are working on this so that they could be able to make the technology such that from all angles and for all light wavelengths, the objects could become invisible. And there is a practical use of this. Yes, this technology has practical application, such as military stealth technology, that is a requirement. Military stealth technology. In case of optical camouflage, that is a requirement. Again, in case of precision surgery, means in case of precision surgical operations, this might be required. This technology might be required. Okay. Means in that case, what is the requirement? You need to make invisible surgical tools. Okay, means in that case you need to make surgical tools invisible to the eyes of the surgeon, so that whatever appears or whatever exists behind the surgical tools, that becomes visible. Yes, if an object, suppose there is an object which is in front of your eyes, but if you use technology to make that object disappear, in that case what would happen? That object disappears, that is one thing. Next thing is, behind the object everything will be clearly visible to you. If the object is visible to your eyes, in that case just behind the object what is there, whatever is there won't be visible to you. That is known to you, that is known fact. Just behind the object, just behind the wall, just behind this wall, what is there? What is happening over there? I can't see right now, because light from there is not coming to my eyes. But if right now, if I make the technology, means if I use that technology to make this wall disappear, then what will happen? In that case, whatever is behind, whatever existing behind this wall will be clearly visible to my eyes, right? So background will be clearly visible in that case, if you can make the object disappear. So here, what is the science behind this? Science is bending the light. Just like, water flows around a rock. You can compare that way. You might have seen water flowing around a rock. Here also, the object which is being disappeared in this case, there also same thing is happening. It's emitting light or it's reflecting light, but that reflected light is continuously bending around that object. So no way that light is reaching the eyes of the observer, and that's why the object is becoming invisible. But one more thing. So I have already mentioned the uses or applications in case of stealth technology, in case of surgical operations, in case of optical camouflage. That means it is not just an interesting fact or interesting technology. In future, there are so many possibilities, actually never-ending possibilities are there for the use of this technology. So scientists are working on this, okay? Right now, complete disappearance has not become possible. Complete disappearance, okay? Anyway, scientists are working on this. So this was all about today's topic. Bending of light, okay, to make things disappear. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.